to the world.
What's our mission, sir?
Our mission is to liberate and give some democracy to the people of Marden.
Of course. With our excessive force, they will comply.
This is for peaceful purposes. We
Very
are
peaceful
not
purposes.
Without my permission. Today, we will liberate Marden!
Oh my god. This is amazing.
Oh my god. Alright.
We will decimate our enemies.
Jawohl, Bereitschaft.
Einverstanden.
What is it, Private?
Oh, we have enemy squads in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
Whoever's leading.
I am the
Yes,
commander.
sir. Our commander-in-chief.
Take it nice and slow.
We take it nice and slow. Oh, that's very unslow.
Guys, do this. Oh my god.
Hey, walk like this.
Do this. Okay.
Doesn't matter now.
Alles klar for now.
They will fear us. Oh shit! Someone shot me. I hope that's on you guys. How are we supposed to kill him with this accuracy?
Oh, I'm down!
I'm firing at down! Two, one. Oh god, this is awful. This is a war crime, man. Look what you did to this man.
I killed him!
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but it's war, man. Arma.
Yeah. You saw that blood coming out. Holy shit.
Alright, Carol, let's go.
He's got this.
Oh,
You get him?
he's alive. Oh! I think he's dead.
Where is
Nice
he?
shot. Dead.
Let's get our RPGs out and fire at the same time. Hold on, let me get my sights adjusted. There we go. How do you aim this thing though?
Okay.
Alright, comrades. In 3, 2, 1. Open fire! Tell me we didn't miss.
We did!
Oh god. You gotta be kidding me.